Garmin GLS 10 sonar exposed. See what's lurking under your boat in real time. Ever felt like your fish finder was gaslighting you? You head out early, boat's loaded, your hopes are sky high, and then, nothing. Just static noise, vague blips, and a hunch that your old sonar is trolling you. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a hardcore angler, fishing blind is soul-sucking. No matter how zen you try to be, it's infuriating. You're not lazy, you're just shackled by ancient tech that's about as helpful as a wet sock. You know there's action below, but your gear keeps ghosting you at the worst times. Enough with the guesswork. It's 2025. You deserve X-ray vision on water. It gets worse, right? Oh, absolutely. Imagine cruising past the perfect school of fish without even knowing it. Or wasting hours chasing sonar mirages while the pros nearby are reeling in monsters. Every missed opportunity isn't just a lost fish, it's a punch in the gut. And let's not even talk about those soul-crushing tournament days when your advanced sonar decides to throw a digital tantrum. Deadlines? Check. Pressure? Crushing. Your boat's rocking, your patience is gone, and your smart sonar is basically a glorified screensaver. It's like trying to fish with a blindfold on while juggling flaming rods. Rage mode activated. Enter Garmin GLS 10 sonar module, your underwater cheat code. Plug it in, fire it up, and boom, you're seeing live what's happening below, around, and ahead of your boat. Structure, baitfish, predators, it's like sonar meets crystal ball. Add the LVS32 transducer, and you're running a legit fish surveillance system. It's plug and play, no PhD required. Whether you're dropping lines or casting forward, this baby shows fish while they move. And it works even when your boat's parked. It's like you suddenly got underwater superpowers, with clarity so crisp, you'll think you're watching National Geographic in 4K. Yep, it's that wild. Here's what you get, besides bragging rights. Insanely detailed scanning sonar up to 200 feet. Seamless syncing across multiple Garmin Chartplotters. Down mode, forward mode, future seeing wizard mode, okay, we made that last one up, but it feels real. Razor sharp detail. IPX7 waterproofing. Rock solid reliability even when Poseidon throws a tantrum. No more second guessing, just smooth, confident fishing. Want to fish smarter, not harder? Hit that link, check the specs, watch some fish cry on live sonar, whatever floats your boat. But seriously, don't just fish. Dominate. Here's the kicker, stock is moving faster than a hooked marlin. Thousands of pros and hobbyists already made the switch, because once you see the GLS 10 in action, you can't unsee it. No more sonar lies. No more empty hooks. This is your underwater truth machine. And with limited availability, because everyone wants one, you'd be nuts to wait. So click now. Snag it. Lock it down. Seize your edge before it swims away. Because in the world of fishing, you're either the hunter or the guy telling stories about the one that got away. Make sure you're the one holding the rod and the proof.